Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader. We talked about doing free webcast in and around the end of the day. That's what this is. So it's closing wrap up. We'll start doing these consistently along with the morning webcast, and then subscribers, and starting next month, anybody that wants to watch that subscriber webcast, there'll be the room, and then there'll be some type of a situation where you can become a subscriber to the subscriber webcast. No pun intended. That'll be up for subscribers later tonight, where we get a little bit more in depth about what's going on in the room, the trades, the setups, some of the proprietary stuff that we use during the day, and how that's going to impact the following day. So there's that. But let's talk about right now. Okay, so consolidating, we'll show that on the hourly chart in a minute. So consolidation and expansion. Expansion in this case to the downside. So you got 4340, which is your exponential moving average on the front month E-mini chart. As far as consolidation, or the continuation chart rather, you still have a little ways to go down to 4286, but it's, that's a pretty significant press down trend type day during the course of the day. The AD advanced decline line pretty much hung out in the deep 300s, 400 area for the vast majority of the day. The analogy I always give in the room during the day when we're in a situation like this is, if somebody threw you in the ocean and you had to tread water, and they put a cement block around your ankle, you might be strong enough to get to the surface, but you wouldn't be able to stay there. And you would consistently slip down to lower lows and lower lows. So we'll get back to this hourly in a minute, but you can really see it on the 5. So we open here, little lift, lower low, lift, lower low, lift, lower low, little lift, lower low, lift, lower low. You're going to slip back down underwater. You're going to go deeper down than you were the time before. That is how the internals affect a trend day, which is what we had. This was trend down day all the way. We opened it at 46. You had a little peak at the 5-minute mid band here, and the 5-minute mid band, with the exception of screwing around a little bit midday, was the bear's best friend. So they bounced it from 43.05 up and around 43.15. Proprietary moving average, VWAP, some things are above. Be interested to see what kind of short covering, just basically profit taking we get into the early part of Globex and into Europe, to see where we open it tomorrow. But that's the function of a trend day. So hourly chart, compression or consolidation, expansion. I'll just get this over with. Then I don't have to type it later. Expansion. That's what it looks like. Compression, expansion, inhale, exhale. It's what markets do. It's what it did today. So, little glimpse into tonight. Let's see what they do with this. You're a long way away from the hourly mid band, and that has consistently been where it's wanted to revert to, except on these really hard trend days. The last one we saw was Thursday, the day after the FOMC. Stayed down there for an entire day. So, just because it's here doesn't mean we're going to get back here. New daily pivot looks around 43.34. Look, the bears continue to do their job. We are a heck of a long way away from weekly pivot, from the 9-day, from the 100-day, the 20-day, and the pre-FOMC price way up there at 44.98. So, since 2 p.m. on Wednesday, it's been very consistent. Down, flat, and down. Bears won this one, and the bears won this one. So we'll see how this plays. Everybody have a great night. If you're a subscriber webcast, probably about 8 p.m., okay? I do them live. Anybody that wants to ask a question at the tail end, feel free to do so. Send in your topics. Of course, it'll be recorded. It'll be up in the members area of the site and the members area up on Circle. For everybody else, have a good one. I will catch you guys in the morning for the morning webcast. Don't forget, over on Circle, we're posting the pivots. That includes the support and resistance tables and the charts that I use during the course of the webcast. All right, take care, everybody. I'll talk to you in the morning. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.